elegant roadster. Take a look at this one. 1930 Cadillac LaSalle. This particular one is a Fisher body, actually Fisher body number 134. Rumble seat roadster even. Of course, LaSalle was around, or started out in what, 1927? Headed up by Harley Earl to design the LaSalle. Came on a lot of different models. It's a nice looking one. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Take special note of the center light that will actually oscillate left and right, activated by the turning of the vehicle. And we got a good kind of picture of the logo and with the still pictures also. Tried to get a lot of close-up detailed ones of this one. Of course, underneath the hood, the 340 cubic inch V8 that was used in these LaSalles, and imagine how nimble and quick this car was for its size in that V8 engine back in 1930. Storage compartment, used lots of times. Golf clubs would slide right in there. We're going to fire it up here so you can hear it run too at the end of the video. 3-speed manual transmission, of course, paired up with that V8. I also have pictures with the top up, and we will fold the top up at the end of this video so you can see it with the top up also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the rumble seat. Want to mention there is some the wing window glass that will go with it also. We just have it wrapped up so nothing happens to it. And some towels that will be shipped and included with the purchase of this beautiful vehicle. Now, one thing I want to mention also is, I said 1930, it is a 1930, FYI, on the title. It reads 1929, but the VIN, everything matches. It is a 30 as far as model year and build of the car. Actually came out of a collection that had been in since the 80s out of Michigan before coming to us. And you can see the engine bay pics from both sides in the still pictures also, and like I said, the undersides. Let's take a little closer look at the interior, and we'll fire this up, take a peek at part of the engine bay also. So there's your door panels, carpeting, seat, vinyl, all nice shade. That convertible top is lined. You'll see pictures of that with it up. And like I said, we'll fold it back up here at the end of the video and show you how that looks too real quick. All right. So I'll turn the key here. Now, I did take a look earlier. Amp meter appeared to be working. Oil pressure worked. It was a cold start, so I'm not sure as far as temp gauge, but it appeared that the fuel gauge was not. So keys on, starter's down the floor. Starts very easily. Come over here, you're going to see this oil pressure coming out. Amp gauge working. Again, did not appear fuel was. I'm assuming, possibly, that temp gauge is going to come up with temperature here a little bit. Take a peek at the dash. There's a horn on it also. Just been wired down here. Alright, let's make sure we're neutral. Smooth running, easy starting vehicle. How fun would this be for a Sunday drive, maybe a local roll-in, cruise-in, local show? Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Kind of what you'd expect out of a V8 from this era. Let's see. Let's open this side here. I want to open at least one side of the hood. Let's take a look at the engine bay. We'll check out that top and wrap this video up. There we go. Look at it. Listen to how smooth that runs. Single carb up in a V8. And imagine 1930 being able to drive this car. Of course, the Fisher towel tag is up here, so bodies are Fisher. Fleetwood also did the coach work on them. This particular one, Fisher. Wow. All right, I'm gonna shut her down. Let's put that top up, and I'll come back. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's a look at the top. Bit above the windshield. Have not noticed any ripped stairs or holes. Glass rear window. So whether you need to stay out of the sun or maybe put it up to get out of a few sprinkles, looks like it's going to serve the purpose. There you go, 1930 LaSalle Roadster. Remember, title reads a 29. This is a 30. Give us a call with any questions, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.